Hello everyone, my name is Miss Kinyahelosi. I'll be a trainer for this particular unit known as Internet and Email. So before you log into your NMS module to access the course, I have an introduction for all what you're going to meet there, or what is all about the internet and the email. You can see our introduction over there, introducing us about what IT is, since we are IT student, computer studies student, what an email consists of, and all that. Then before we much far continue, you will get our learning outcomes for this session or module. Number one, at the end of this module of session, the learner or the trainee should be able to manage the communication environment of Google and Microsoft Outlook environment, create and format the email and other applications, create and manage email messages, create and manage the contract menu, schedule and manage calendar events, understand internet legal and ethical issues like information security and copyright, configure an internet browser to achieve personalization and security, make use of the online communication and social media. Since you are dealing with the internet, one will be able to use the social media as you have seen in our learning item. We also see that at the end of this session, you'll be able to explain the origin of telecommunication networks, describe the origin of internet, explain the connection between internet, telecommunication networks, and electronic mail. We got our introduction here, introducing ourselves to internet. What is internet? What is a network? There are two definitions we can get. There is internet means it's a means of connecting a computer to any other computer anywhere in the world via dedicated routers or servers. When two computers are connected over the internet, they can send and receive all kinds of information such as text, graphics, voice, video, and computer programs. You can also say it is a network that consists of private, public, academic, business, and government networks of local to global scope linked by a lone thread, linked by a broad array of electronic, wireless, and optical networking technologies. We also have intranets and extranets. It's a network, private network, accessible only to an organization's staff. An extranet are contained private networking, and then customers, partners, vendors, all that. We will get to learn all that. There's no need to read this, just an introduction to the course. We have intranet and extranet. You can see the internet over there, how they are connected, blah blah. Then we have computer network. We on Google to know what is a computer network, how it is used, and how we can apply it as far as guided or unguided media is concerned. We have internet over here. We can see how internet is supplied in various ways through switches, routers, laptops, desktops, blah blah. At the end of this, we are going to learn on how to connect these devices physically. We have the transmission media. This is where you get the guided and guided media. We have the transmission guided media, where you have the unguided microwave satellites. Then we have the guided. We have the satellites. You can see the picture over there. We have the electronic mail, the email. At the end of this section, one will be able to create mails, send, receive, and be able to know more about mails apart from receiving and composing emails. You can see over there. There is also a picture here of our email client. You can see how these things are done. Then you'll be able to be exposed to protocols, the post office protocols and the POP3s. We'll get to learn about the email protocols, internet message access protocols, along other things. Can I have the email protocols? This is the SMTP, whereby it's the standard protocol for sending emails across the internet. You get to learn more about them. There's the ports. You know the port according, I see them practically in the lab. The port 25 to 2525, port 465. Then you'll be able to see how mail is being sent. Can see, for example, in this picture I have the Jumia house and how you can receive and send mails. At the end of this, you're going to get all those information along with us. So my hunch is you concentrate in this section, take your time to go through the materials posted on the LMS, discuss even with your friends or in the discussion forum, post the burning issues, post what you know, make your research, and go the YouTube, do all that research, introduce your course, and with that everything you get good grades, and as a teacher I will be happy to giving good grades. So you can see our summary over here. We call a summary about this course of us, internet and email. In this session, now you're not to be saying you have covered. In this session, we will cover an explanation of the internet. You're going to understand everything about internet. By the end of this course, you'll be able to be a tutor out there of telling people how internet works and all other properties that come across the internet. Be able to differentiate between an intranet and extranet. This is a very crucial question to be in your exam, so note. At the end of this unit, you'll be able to understand the difference between intranet and extranet. This other thing, the transition media. At the end of this session, the trainee will be able to understand the difference between guided media, transmission media, and unguided. The status, the what, and how that. The electronic mail, the email. We all know the email for composing mails and all that. The other information about the mails as far as a computer student or trainee is involved. Then you'll be able to get email protocols. Email protocols. Learn more about that, and so that you can be able to understand more, get better about that. So get ahead of the trainer, get the access material on the LMS, get through the notes, the quizzes there, the assignments, the ingredient here activities, there is interactive, which 5P interactives, and other materials there. You can go to get there, and even can be able to create your own LMS. With time, you're going to learn a lot of things about the internet. So I wish you a good learning environment. Welcome to this course. Thank you.